NNPCL to sell Dangote Petrol at 950 naira per litre in Lagos, 1,019 naira in Borno State. The Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited has announced its pricing strategy for petrol sourced from Dangote Refinery. According to the NNPCL spokesperson, Olufemi Shoneye, the company will sell this fuel in Lagos for a minimum of 950 naira per litre. This pricing information is part of NNPCL's release of estimated pump prices across the country. The company emphasized that these prices are not set by the federal government, but negotiated directly between parties under the Petroleum Industry Act. NNPCL confirmed it's currently paying Dangote Refinery in US dollars for September 2024 petrol offtake, with naira transactions set to begin on October 1, 2024. The price variation across the country are unusual. While Lagos residents may pay 950 naira per litre, those in Borno State could see prices as high as 1,019 naira. Abuja, Sokoto, and Kano are looking at around 999 naira per litre. Southern states like Oyo and Rivers are expected to pay about 960 naira. This announcement follows a disagreement between the Dangote Group and NNPCL over the selling price of petrol. While NNPCL claimed it was purchased at 898 naira per litre, Dangote Group disputed this figure without providing its price list. The first batch of petrol from Dangote Refinery has already been loaded, with NNPCL confirming that 16.8 million litres have been lifted. As of Sunday afternoon, about 70 trucks have been loaded, with operations ongoing. The Dangote Refinery, a $20 billion facility in Lagos, began operation last December with an initial capacity of 350,000 barrels per day. It aims to reach a full capacity of 650,000 barrels daily by year's end. The refinery has already started supplying diesel and aviation fuel to Nigerian marketers. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more updates.